So product of a fraction and a whole number, we have 3 over 26 times 8. And so first thing we need to do is rewrite that whole number as a fraction. So we'll put 8 over 1. And then as we've done before, multiply straight across to get 24 over 26. 24 over 26, I see that both of those are divisible by 2. So to simplify this fraction, 24 divided by 2 is 12, 26 divided by 2 is 13. That will give us our final answer. Alternatively, using the cross-canceling method, we would start the same. Multiply by 8 over 1, and then recognize that 8 and 26 are both divisible by 2. That would give us 13 here, and 4 there. Multiplying our new numbers, we would have 3 times 4 is 12. 13 times 1 is 13. Again, we get the same result using either method. Choose the one that works best for you. Now 3 over 4 times 6, so 3/4 times 6. We'll rewrite that as 3 over 4 times 6 over 1. 18 over 4 is where we end up. And for 18 over 4, we notice that they are both divisible by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 9 over 2 will be our final answer. Alternatively, the cross-cancel method will produce the same result. 3/4 times 6 over 1. We notice that both 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. That gives me a 3 in the numerator on the right and a 2 in the denominator on the left. So 3 times 3 makes 9. 2 times 1 makes 2. Okay, a couple more here. We've got 3 times 8 over 15. We'll rewrite this as a fraction, so 3 over 1 times 8 over 15. 3 times 8 is 24. 1 times 15 is 15. We need to recognize that 24 and 15 are both divisible by 3. And we get 24 divided by 3 is 8. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And as we've done previously, an alternative method is to do the cross-cancel scene. We will still have 3 over 1 times 8 over 15. And we will notice that 3 and 15 both have 3 as a factor. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 5 is 5. Okay. I'll try and squeeze a fourth one down here into the bottom. What did I have here? 8 over 5. Great. So 8 times 3 over 28. So 8 times 3 over 28. It's going to be rewritten as 8 over 1 times 3 over 28, which is going to give me 24 over 28. Now, simplifying 24 over 28, we need to see that those are both divisible by 4. If you used 2, it would work, but you would have to do it twice in order to get the fraction into simplest form. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So again, doing the cross-canceling method, we would have the exact same thing to start with. And at this point, we would notice that 8 and 28 both have factors, a common factor of 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So we would end up with 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. And I don't know why my iPad disappeared while I was working. I'll get it back up there so you can see that example. Hopefully. Okay. So there's the example that I was talking through there at the end. Apologies for the case of the disappearing iPad. Here's the last one that I just talked through.